Nectar. We're here today because we're going to be making some conditioner. Please ignore my hair. I went to bed with my hair wet last night, and this is what I get the next day. Poof! So anyway, I did want to share with you the process of making conditioner. Today's an apple cider vinegar conditioner. It's the one that I sell on Etsy. It's very, very popular. It's great conditioner. It can be used as a rinse out or a leave-in. I will not give you my exact recipe because it is the one that I sell on Etsy and it's very popular for me, but I will, in the description box below, leave a recipe that I started with, and you can tweak that until it's just right for your purposes and what you like about the conditioner. And that's what I did. It took me a year to figure out exactly how I wanted my conditioner to be, and every time I'd make it, I'd change a little bit about it and make some notes until I got it to be exactly what I wanted it to be. And plus my customers gave me great feedback that this is something that they really like. So if you want to buy my conditioner and not make the conditioner, or maybe you want to buy it and try it, we do have a 3-ounce size bottle that's for sale on there so that you can try it a couple of times and see if it's something that you even want to even think about making. So on my channel, we're going to make all kinds of things. I really make a lot of cold processed soap, but I make shampoo that's liquid shampoo. I make conditioners. I make face creams. I make sugar scrubs. I make MSM body creams and things like that. So all kinds of things that we'll make here, not just cold processed soap. So without any delay, let's get busy making this conditioner. Okay, so in this bowl I have my e-wax, my mango butter, and my oils, and I'm going to have to put these in the microwave and burst it on low a few times until they're all melted. In this cup I have my apple cider vinegar, and here I have my essential oil blend, and this is my preservative. So I'm going to go put this in the microwave, and it'll take a few minutes to get everything melted down, but I don't want things to become hot. So with the magic of time lapse, everything is about melted. I'll give it a few stirs just to make sure there are no bits and pieces of e-wax. It's usually the last to melt. And once that's completely melted, then I will add the warm apple cider vinegar. You never want to pour anything that's cool into any mixture that has e-wax in it, because the e-wax will set up so fast and it's hard. So if it sets up in your mixture as a solid, then you're gonna have little bits of hard pieces in your, whether it's lotion or your conditioner or, well, you know, whatever it might be, and that's just not something you want in your finished product. I'm going to go ahead and add my essential oils. Everything that I'm working with is below 100 degrees. I'll get that incorporated really, really, really well. And I like to do that before I start blending so that it's completely mixed with all of the oils. Let me check the apple cider vinegar and see if it's warm enough without being hot. I gave it just another few seconds. And get everything all cleared away so that I don't knock anything over and spill it. Let me grab the apple cider vinegar. I think it should be warm enough by now. I really love making conditioner. It's so fast to get it put together and mixed up and ready to go. It's almost like instant gratification. Whereas with cold processed soap, you know, we have to wait a little while. I'm going to go ahead and start my immersion blender and start mixing right now. Now the essential oil blend that I put in my conditioner is a citrus lavender patchouli blend, and it's just really clean. It's not too citrusy because the lavender and the patchouli really anchor it. And it's just a really fresh, clean scent when everything is said and done. Plus, I don't know if I told you that this conditioner can be a a leave-in or rinse-out conditioner. I checked my temperature. Everything looks pretty good, so I'll be adding my preservative here in a second. Get that all really well incorporated. Now at first when I get this made, it will thicken up, but it's still pourable. For the first, I don't know, 5 minutes or so, it's pourable. But once it starts to firm up, it gets really, really thick. And I like for my conditioner to be thick. I don't like a runny conditioner. When you put it in your hand, I want it to stay put. And that way you can rub it between the palm of your hands and apply it where it needs to be. I don't know if you know this, but just a tip when you're using any conditioner, whether it's store-bought conditioner or a natural conditioner or one you make yourself, you should always apply the conditioner to the ends of your hair first and then work your way up. And with whatever is left in the palm of your hands after applying it to the ends of your hair, you just kind of rub through at the scalp area. Your scalp is where your sebum is, of course, and it produces oils. And so you don't want to deposit a lot of oil there because that's how your hair gets unbalanced. If you start at the tips of your hair and work your way up, and just by the time you get there you only have some residue for the top of your hair, that's fine because within an hour of washing and conditioning your hair is going to be producing its own oils. That's why you notice when you have oily hair, you know, it's oily at the roots before it's oily anywhere else. And that's just, you know, common sense there. So now it is at a thickened stage, and I'm going to clean off the immersion blender and get as much of the conditioner off as I can. And then I'll pour some of this into a cup, and that way we can go ahead and pour it into some of the bottles. I do have a few bottles that were ordered yesterday, so I'm going to go ahead and pour those while it's pourable and show you how that works. I'll also show you, you know, later on how thick it does become, and so that you can see that it's, after a while, would not be pourable. And once that happens, all I do is I pop it into an icing bag that I've made a little clip in the bottom, and I'll then pipe it into my bottles. It's just as easy that way. Takes a little longer than pouring, of course, but still easy to do. I'm going to grab the bottles real quick. I think I need 3. So this is really pourable. I'll give it a pounce on the counter every so often just to make sure there are no bubbles in the bottle, because I want it to appear full. If you don't get the air bubbles out once you ship it, if it's banged around a little while in the delivery process, then those bubbles can pop, and then once your conditioner makes it to its destination, it may not look as full. Because it won't be as full, because that bubble will be popped. And I like for my things to be delivered and look exactly like they looked when they left my facility, which is my home, by the way. I use one of our spare bedrooms as my workspace. Okay, so that one is looking pretty good. This is after about 6 minutes. Do you see how much thicker that is? This is what's left over. I ended up filling up 5 bottles, and this is what's left over that I'll put in this container with a lid. And the next time I get an order, then I'll pipe that into the bottle. But this is a really nice, though it's very thick, it is still very lightweight. It doesn't leave any residue in your hair. And this is the type of piping bag that I use. It's just a Wilton's. And like I said, just stick the tip down in the bottle and pipe it. But anyway, this is what it looks like once it... Oh, wait, that's shampoo. Okay, so that was shampoo. Here's the apple cider vinegar conditioner with a bottle of the apple cider shampoo that we sell. If you liked my video, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and help me grow. Thanks for watching.